You already know, great artists still, baby. And now TikTok is joining in the conversation by doing TikTok stories, man. So you already know, as another strategy, what you got to do for 2022, man. Whenever an app has a new feature, you got to jump on it right now to take advantage, to get them views, man. If you want to get more views as well, make sure you check out my new TikTok course. All right, dropped last year, super cheap. Super cheap, and it's all about view hacking, baby. Link in the description below. All right, so you open up the TikTok page here, open up your TikTok page, and see at the top right there is stories, man. So all you gotta do is click that button right here, and what up? You can see all the same features that you normally have here as well. Speed, of course, you can do your timer, and you can do filters, enhance. Also, you can reply to somebody in your stories, which is dope. This one is a little quick reply. You can press the button right there. Of course, you got your effects. You already know what's trending, green screens, and all that, man. Also, man, you can use your sounds as well once you record something. So you can still use it with sound. I was kind of confused by this a little bit. And let's just, I don't want to stop recording. Let's just, yo, what up, man? It's your boy kenyonlong, recording for Short Form Tech Channel. All right, you see the option right there to post to story or hit next. If you hit next, it will go to your regular feed. So that's what it does right there. It goes to your regular feed. Man, use your hashtags, use trending sounds, and toss it in there in your stories. Of course, I've done it already. I've done about 5 stories. Do, you know, some behind the scenes and some skits. I was doing stand-up, so I did some behind the scenes of doing my stand-up. And so behind the scenes stuff is always great. Hopefully it gets people engaged. I'm already seeing more engagement, more views on my TikTok stories than I'm seeing on my Instagram stories. My Instagram stories, nobody's watching it. But if you want to watch it, go to kenyonlong on IG, baby. Nobody's watching it. Already had over 100 views on my TikTok stories, man. Now, I don't know if that's based just on the followers I got, but, you know, I'm getting more views on my TikTok stories. Let me know in the comments below if you're using TikTok stories, what you think. Is everything the same thing now? Is all the apps the same? They just copying each other. All right. TikTok, the home of people copying each other. So you know they had to copy other companies, man. Check out these next